Here we are at the Washoe County Senior Center. Today we have the pleasure of doing a little bit of deadwooding and some roof clearance on what has to be one of the most beautiful pin oaks I have ever seen. And I have the honor today of trimming it. I'd love for you to tag along. A good rule of thumb when pruning, approaching any tree, especially for a crown clean, is to look at dead, broken, and crossing. And those should be the first three things that you address. You want to throw in a little caveat: dead, dying, diseased, and broken. So we've about finished the roof clearance on this wonderful pin oak. You can see that we're encouraging the growth in the future to steer away from the building. Less problems, the less it'll get hacked on, the happier the tree will be, and the happier Bashor gets.